So what we're looking for here, notice right here on this back, let's drop this one. I'm looking at the breeching here, and I want to make sure from the farthest part of his butt here that it's one hand under. So I needed to drop it one hole. I'm noticing that my tugs and my shafts, these are my tugs, that's what pulls, and my shafts are lined up pretty straight and even. Especially for your gaited horses, you want to make sure that your tugs and your breast collar aren't on their breathing, aren't on their air pipe. So I want to be able to see that I can stick my hand right down in here and it's not cutting off his air supply. So that'll be good for him.